So the government removed subsidy and the people are wailing, we are crying. So the government of Nigeria over the years subsidized petrol, fuel, PMS for its citizens. And now the government removed the subsidy for petrol because of crime, of corruption, mismanagement of the subsidy fund. But we must understand that every country subsidizes item for its citizen. So petroleum was the only thing that the government has subsidized for its citizen. Now it has removed it. So we expect that now they've removed the subsidy, the funds should be directed to subsidizing the education, subsidizing healthcare, subsidizing even power, electricity, subsidizing transportation. There's a lot of things they can subsidize. So I think this will ease the burden. You can even subsidize the telecommunication, the internet especially, because I believe the way data consumption happen in Nigeria is something else. So you can subsidize the internet for the young people, for the youth, because that is where education is. Don't look at the negative aspect of the tackling it gives, but you look at the benefit, the education it brings to your society. I think subsidizing the internet information is a very good one for us to do in this nation with the subsidy fund and other healthcare. Stay blessed and enjoy this day.